And we are live. Hi. Welcome to Bald vs. Bald. I'm the first bald one, Christopher, and this is my
I'm
co-host.
the next one. Yeah.
Yes.
My name is Dima.
The goal of today is to have like a nice vibe coding challenge where we are going to test Claude Code vs Codex to see if we can build an LLM Model Comparison Chatbot. The goal of today's challenge is to have a chatbot where we can fire one prompt and one go, and it fires in the two chat interfaces at the same time. And the goal is to check which model responded the best. And Dima is going to use Codex to build his chat interface, and I'm going to use Claude Code to build my chat interface. We are starting from scratch, so we are going to use I'm going to use Anthropic Claude to brainstorm, and then Claude Code to build it, and Dima is going to use OpenAI ChatGPT and Codex for brainstorming and building the two. The goal is that at the end of the challenge, you review the tool that we built and you give us a score. So the score is going to be on functionality, design, and of course, who is the most beautiful, the more beautiful bald guy? It's going to be me. No, it's not true. It's just going to be on the tool itself. Which has built which of us two has built like the cleanest interface, the best functionalities? Can we scrape the web? Can we copy paste the responses of the chat? Can we iterate on certain questions? Do we have a model picker? And things like that. So by the end of this live, you can just or during the live, or when we reveal the chatbot, you can just comment Dima 1 or Christopher 1 in the comment section, and we will count the votes, and by the next live, we will say who won the previous challenge. And if nobody commented, nobody will have won, and we will have an equal. So no winner at all.
How much time do we have?
So I think we can give ourselves like 45 minutes to 45 minutes to an hour to build it.
To brainstorm, and then 2 hours to build it.
No, everything together. So just 45 minutes to an hour, and maximum an hour we stop, and we will have to find out who the winner is.
Okay, I'm ready to start.
All right, so another thing is every 2-3 minutes I will change the view, and I will start with Dima's screen, and 2 or 3 minutes I will just move to my screen, and I will do that until the end of the challenge so that you guys can follow along with what we are doing on our laptop and how we are thinking through the process, and also have like a little peek of each other's work while we can't. So I will start by sharing Dima's screen. Right. So Dima, good luck.
Great.
And
thank you.
We will see who won in an hour.
Yeah, good luck you too.
Right. Good luck. Let's start.
Okay.
So
I will try
brainstorming.
Yeah, directly with ChatGPT. Let's see.
So what you're going to say, I think I'm going to say I want to build a chat interface where I have two interfaces, one on the left, one on the right. On the left, I want OpenAI. I want to build a ChatGPT OpenAI interface. On the right side, I want to build Anthropic interface where I'm going to add the Haiku model, and I want one clean bar to put in my text, and then maybe a button, and I'm going to start with this.
Okay.
Is that your plan? You're not typing anything?
I wrote the same.
You wrote the same.
No, I'm kidding.
I already wrote it, so I think I will have to be more clear because it's starting to build the thing in the chat. This was not the goal, so I'm gonna stop it before I lose too much time and say that I want to build this in Claude Code, and I just want to brainstorm about how to build such thing.
Mm-hmm.
I really have quite a good idea. It's not difficult to actually have two chat interfaces. If we would have time enough, maybe we could code it ourselves, but even then, I think it's not possible because we cannot code. That's why we web code.
Yep.
All right. So I'm still in the brainstorming process. How about you? You're still brainstorming?
I'm still writing my first prompt because it's difficult for me when I speak and write. So it takes a lot of time.
So I have to speak a little more then, just to steal your time. No?
Yep.
All right. I like this. So I will have to say, create a new project called Simple Chats.
Finally, I sent my first prompt.
Yeah, you already sent it.
Yeah, the first one. It's still sending
Right.
for the better answer.
This is not bad, actually, then. Right. So now I'm still in brainstorming session myself. I wonder how it will work. Yes. So I already added my first prompt to Claude Code, me on my side, and then I just have to find the API keys because I don't have them right here, and I will add it to my files first before I share my screen, so that they stay secret. Wow. So I'm just giving the keys now. And when it has my keys, then I will switch over to my screen.
Yep.
So what is the process behind your behind your thinking? How you're going to approach this?
Yeah, first of all, I'm gonna work on the design. So I'm gonna design the interface, and then I will work on the functionality of the chats. But for the design, I'm gonna start with ChatGPT to have a good visual interface, and then I will switch to Cursor to work on the functionality. That's my idea, how I see it.
So you will first use just use the chat first.
Yeah. For the first for the first take, like as soon as I like the design, I will move to the cursor to work on it, like more detailed. And you?
I think for me, I'm going to approach it a little bit differently. I think I'm going to work on the functionality of the chat first and then try to enhance the design. And do you know what technologies you're going to use to build a design?
I took the reference from Pinterest, my favorite website, for the inspiration, and I just asked to use the same design, to use it as a reference.
Okay, that's a good strategy. So you're always working in the same way. Eh? Every time you just build the design first,
Yeah,
and then you start building.
yeah, I tried it, and for me, it always works the best. Like when I have the visual, then it's much easier for me to work on the functionality, to see how it works, to see how it looks like, and yeah, to correct some things if it's needed.
Right. So now on my side, I will share my screen a little bit to show what I'm doing now. Actually, I will move back. Actually, it doesn't matter. 2 seconds. Because my keys were still visible. I will have to delete them after the live, so they are not used. They were visible in screen.
Didn't you hide it before?
Yes, I hide it, but I deleted everything in the folder earlier, and I also deleted the rule. And use them later on. Please hide the keys from now on. So that they are not visible. Because otherwise... I feel that this is a rookie mistake, but yeah. On the other hand, we are, so... Yes, I want them to be secured. Please. Go faster so I can share my screen.
You didn't share it yet.
Yeah, I shared it when I realized my API keys were visible. So actually, I just deleted them and add new ones just to be sure. And now I'm securing them so they're not visible on screen anymore. So now I will try to open the first draft of the project. And I will just share my screen for a second. So yes. No, actually, it made my API keys safe. So I will attribute a port on my side, and I will continue working here. So what I did is I asked to create like the project files first, and Claude on the Claude chat, and I went over it, and I'm now just going to create another prompt so that I can create the design.
And do you have something already?
No, not yet. Yeah, you?
Yeah, I have the first design.
You have the first in ChatGPT?
Yep. I already sent it to Cursor to see if it can. It already did it. So cool.
So now I just started this prompt and I hope it can give me something beautiful. All right. So let's go back to you for a second to see what you're doing. So for me at the moment, it's just asking a lot of bash commands. Bash commands actually write to your PC for those that are watching and don't know what a bash command is. And at the moment, I'm preparing my files before I start with the design and the functionality part. I am actually attributing a fixed port that will be hard-coded. I already defining that it's going to be built in index.html with a style.css file and then scripts and JS. And what I'm doing is I'm attributing a fixed port so that I can open the project whenever I want. Using that same port, it's going to be hard-coded in the project, and I'm also attributing all of the API keys that I'm going to use during the project as well. So I already had like a couple of ideas in mind of things that I could add to these functionalities of the chat, and it required a couple of API keys next to the OpenAI one and the Anthropic one. All right. So now I'm gonna work on the design. And at the moment, my API keys are not fixed yet. So I already added the prompt for the design. I already have the first draft of the design. And now I'm actually fixing the API problem.
Problems and problems and problems, yeah?
Yes. I guess, yeah. So for me, I want the design to resemble like the OpenAI chat for the ChatGPT one, and I want the design of the Anthropic one to resemble the one from Claude.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my typing is not fantastic. Maybe color, logo, etc. No, cannot send it yet. Still writing. So, what's the progress on your side?
I have to start over again.
Why?
It's not working, I don't know why. I will start one more time.
That's actually a good thing, because when you try to vibe code, sometimes things go wrong. So sometimes you don't have any other chance than to try.
That's true.
For me, I still have
It's
like
annoying.
this. Yes, it's annoying. The API keys don't work for me. They gave me an error that they are unable to connect to OpenAI or to Anthropic, and that I should check the API configuration. Well, I just added my API keys, so I'm gonna have it. Actually, this is something that I'm going to share. I'm gonna share my screen again, put me on stage. Actually, it's something that it's like a little command that you can use. It's called ultrathink in Claude. And you press this one, it's actually going to use more tokens. It's going to use more chain of thought. So it's going to think a little harder and try to fix the problem. Normally it works. So does Codex has a functionality like this one? Can you make Codex ultrathink?
I don't
Think
know.
harder?
I never tried it before.
You have to try. It's the moment.
It's smart enough, but it's very very slow.
It's slow. How come?
Yeah.
Well, now I have like a small problem. My site cannot be reached.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe I have to start the project all over again, like you. We're only busy for 20 minutes, so we still have 40 minutes before the end of the challenge. So it doesn't matter.
Yeah, but it's already 20 minutes. Time goes fast.
Maybe we will have nothing at the end of the live.
Yeah.
Maybe it will not work. We will have no working prototype. I still have a problem with the API connection. I'm gonna have to let it check it all files to make sure that the correct API keys are used. Oh, typing is horror. So, what's cool on your side? You already have the chat.
Yep, but it's just a design without any functionality yet.
Okay. So I have to, yes, allow. Other API keys. So actually, what are you doing now? Are you already adding the API keys?
Yeah.
Wow, you're going fast, huh? You will have something working in 5 minutes.
Hope so.
For me, I think I have the same in 5 minutes. Then it's just about the functionalities, eh?
Is it beautiful?
Yeah, it's not bad, eh? It's not bad. It's a clean interface. Who are you?
It's not working. I cannot send it.
Yeah, it's beautiful, but if it doesn't work, you cannot do a lot with it. Yeah, it doesn't really make sense if you cannot use it. So yeah, for me, I think I still have this API issue. Finally, my API works. So now I'm asking how I can make it look more like OpenAI and ChatGPT on the left. And on Anthropic on so yeah, actually I'm gonna show mine for a second.
Yeah, I tried it and now it's not working yet. OpenAI error, it's failed to fetch, and the same error for Anthropic. So I will try to fix it to find what is the problem with that.
All right. For me, I still need to connect the Serper API so that it can connect to the internet. So the goal is to have the model check online and to give the sources at the bottom. So it has to do research online and then give like all of the sources that it used in the research. And it has to do the research based on multiple keyword searches and the search engine that it uses. So it has to come up with like, based on my query, it has to come up with like a couple of ways of prompting it to this search engine to find multiple sources and to come up with a better answer when I ask it to search the web or other related keywords that will trigger that. So I'm already having like a better design. And then another thing that I want to add is model picker for me. At the moment, I just have this OpenAI ChatGPT 4.0 mini on one side and then the Claude 3.5 Haiku on the other side. But I actually want to be able to choose between the different models. And I only want to choose between the different models that will allow me to compare them on a fair basis. So, for example, Opus 4.1 could be compared with ChatGPT 5 thinking, for example, because they are similar to one another. So just like OpenAI ChatGPT 4.0 mini and Claude 3.5 Haiku are also kind of equal, I think. And I want to be able to have this model picker to do that. So I'm just gonna share with everybody what you are doing at the moment.
Still the problem, it's not working. I'm trying to find what is the problem.
And you cannot find it at the moment, no?
No. I don't know. Maybe it's because of API key.
It's possible, eh? It's possible it's API related.
Yeah.
Yeah, and for me, what other functionalities should I add? Actually, I think I'm thinking. I think I want to add like this scoring system. I already have like a basic scoring system, but I want to be able to have like the scoring system. The scoring system based on speeds. Actually, I don't think it's fair because one has more input and the other has more output tokens. So for me, I think that the scoring system should not only be based on the inputs and the outputs and how fast it generated, but it should be like some kind of logical mathematical calculations happening, and also based on the price, because I think the price, no, the price doesn't really is not really important for performance. So it should be some type of mathematical input output / speed calculation. Yes, I think this is a good thing. And then for me, what I think is important as well is that we have like and in the chat, I don't know if you're going to do this, but in the chat, I'm able to copy paste everything. But when I copy paste it, I only want to copy paste the output. Like I don't want to copy paste the sources. I don't want to copy paste like this extra things that it's going to add, extra information it's going to add. I only want to copy paste like the output, and it has to be formatted properly. So I need like a proper markdown with maybe H1s, H2s, H3s, and so on, and then paragraphs, and then bold and italic, underlined, where appropriated, and then bullet points, and then also number lists where appropriated, maybe n-ling, so n-line hyperlinks, and then the proper line height, and so yeah, so that the output is like, the output of the chat is like beautiful, that you can read it very easily. But when you copy it, you also copy it like in the same way, without any mistakes. Because this is something that I see. When you use ChatGPT and you try to generate like copy, and you paste it in a document, there is always like problems with the formatting. You have extra spaces. You have like things that don't work. Formatting is horrible actually when you copy paste it from those LLMs. So I think that this is some functionality that I want to add, so that I can copy paste it and know that when I paste it in a doc or whatever other platform I paste it in, it's like perfectly formatted. This is something that neither OpenAI or Claude, neither OpenAI or Anthropic are doing a good job at, I feel. So now I'm gonna test it, research 5 business ideas. I could launch online. I could launch online in 2025. We are September. Not so much time left.
Yeah, and I have only the design.
You only have the design at the moment?
Yeah, it's not working for me. I don't know why.
Okay. So for me, I don't know why. It gave me an error that it's not able to connect to the Anthropic key. So I'm having that problem again. I'm not getting any sources. I see the web search is activated on my site, but I'm not getting any sources. So I guess no sources were visited. And my Anthropic API configuration has an error again on my side. I don't understand. So the web searches should be checked on my side, I think. Then let's see what you're doing. I'm gonna swap screens again. Meantime, I'm just going to see if it has been configured properly on my side. Dashboard, it doesn't search for anything. Normally it should connect with Serper, the API key of Serper, to make sure that I have like online searches with sources, but it doesn't do it on my side. So for me, I'm just going to check the dashboard. So for those that are watching and don't know, you have a little tool called serper.dev, and this actually allows you to perform 2,500 free searches using an LLM that you build or another tool. It can have like a lot of different utilities, and for this purpose, as we are building a chat comparison interface where one of the functionalities will be searching the web, serper.ai, serper.dev actually allows you to perform 2,500 free searches before you have to upgrade. So if you hear barking, this is my dog. He's being an annoying little motherfucker. We have a lot of wind here, so it's making like this spooky sounds the whole day. How's the weather in Belgium?
It's changed three times a day. In the morning it's rain, then sunny day, and then it's cloudy here all the time.
Here today it was not so. It was a lot of wind. The weather is not so bad.
Yeah.
But a lot of wind.
Is it a lot of tourists there still?
No, it's already almost dead. It's going to be dead for the next 2 months, I think, until there is like this first school holiday. And now it's still a little bit of people in the streets because in Spain school only starts next week on Monday.
Yeah.
At least in the south of Spain where we at. And so it only starts on the 16th, so you still have a lot of kids on the streets, but that's it actually. No tourists anymore. They're all gone because school has started everywhere. So
it's quiet there now.
Yeah, it's quiet. So give me 5 business IDs. I can start in 2025. We are September. All right. So on my side, does it work already for you?
No.
Oi. For me, I also think that I would like to add like voice mode functionality. I don't know if Anthropic has a voice mode functionality, but I do know that OpenAI has a voice mode functionality. And if Anthropic has it as well, we should also add voice mode functionality. Although I don't really know if that would work in a chat comparison. Maybe we just add voice mode from OpenAI then or something like that. I don't know. I should do some research about this to see what is possible. So actually, I think I'm gonna do just that. We're already, I think, 35 minutes in. And I think I have the model picker on my side. Yes, but I don't have all the models in them. So I'm just gonna copy this prompt so I can use it again later. Yeah, on my side it starts to work, but I still don't have. This is annoying, huh? I'm gonna take a screenshot because for me, web search still doesn't work, and I still have an error that it's unable to connect to Anthropic API. Configuration must have something that doesn't work on my side. And this is strange because I first get the answer and then I get the error message. So I guess it's working properly. So yeah, it will have to ultra think. So I'm gonna use this ultra think quite a lot, I think. So, do we have a working AI yet, Dima?
No.
No? You're so quiet.
No. Yeah, because I'm struggling with the chat.
I'm struggling as well, but I'm talking, man. What's wrong with you?
Yeah, but I cannot talk when I'm struggling. I have to. I should be focused on those problems.
Yeah, I can talk while I'm struggling. Yeah? Something you learn with the years, man. 14 more years, and you'll be able to talk while you struggle.
Yeah.
But by then you're almost dead, so yeah. It won't have a lot of utility anymore.
Yeah, that's true.
I have ChatGPT 4. I have ChatGPT. Yeah. Let me test it again. It should work. Actually, it's already working, but it's working, but it doesn't research the internet. So for me, it's already added the model picker, but it's not all the models, and I don't know which one compared to which one, because I don't know all the models by head. So there should be some type of system that allows me to pick more models, like ChatGPT 5 and the latest model from Anthropic, and the model picker should also show me which one compared to which one. But it doesn't do that at the moment. And as we still have like how long? 17 minutes. I think I still have time to do some research and try to add some functionalities. Also, I think the design doesn't really looks like OpenAI for me, and
Yeah.
I have this green bubble, and I never seen a green bubble in ChatGPT actually. So the dark background for me, it does it because it looks like OpenAI, but the green bubble, the green colors, it doesn't really give me like OpenAI vibes. Also, the dark background, I have the feeling that it doesn't look like the background of ChatGPT as well, because I have it on dark mode and it's quite dark. So I think it should perform like a research to find the colors of the chat, of the chat bubbles and the background and. So I switched back to my screen, and here I'm just gonna refresh it. I already have this model picker. I have this model picker on this side. I can actually choose another one. 3.5 Sonnet, I think it was equal with GPT-4o, but I can make a mistake. I don't know. I'm not sure. It's working on the other side, so it's debugging a lot of things that I asked to debug that don't work at the moment. And I can say, give me 5 business ideas for 2025, but it's still debugging the web search on my side, so it's actually giving me a response quite fast. I'm still having this error, unable to connect after receiving the answer. It didn't activate web search, and I also have no sources, so I'm guessing that this is coming from their data training. All of those IDs, so they are not really valid for 2025. So this is where I'm at the moment, and it's working quite well. Huh? I think I already have like a beautiful interface. The efficiency score is not given. Performance not visible. Maybe it's just because my screen is too small. No, it doesn't give the score properly. And when I attribute the score, does it calculate the performance or not? No. So the scoring system doesn't work. Oh, actually, it places them beneath one another. It's not bad. So for me, the scoring system doesn't work. I don't get like a performance score, and when I add like the quality score based on the results, I don't see anything on my side. I don't see who won, and I don't see. So the scoring system doesn't work at the moment. What are you doing? Dima, what are you doing? Does it work?
No.
So it's possible that this time I'm gonna win like all the other times, no?
No, for the first time.
But I think for the Kanban board, you won because I could not log in. Okay, I agree. But for the type racer, you have to be honest. I had a full on application with different type of games.
It didn't work properly. You couldn't type.
Oh, I did. Yes, I could type. I still have the application. I can open it. I could type. I even had per letter. You didn't have this per letter. You couldn't see it. So I think it's equal now. It's 1-1. In my opinion, nobody voted yet because we don't have viewers yet. But if they could vote, I'm sure the first one you would have won, and the second one I would have won.
No, it's because I just deleted my type racer, as you remember, and now you know that I don't have any evidence
But
only
we
on the
have
video.
evidence. We have it in the video. We don't need you to show.
Yeah.
It's you. You just told me that mine was not typing. I can show you. It was typing. So I know.
Yeah.
I'm gonna test my copy functionality. Oh, my copy functionality works. What a cool thing. So actually, I still have the same models at the moment. It's working. It's debugging and debugging, but not a lot of things are happening, and we only have 10 minutes left. So it's a long time.
Yeah. And I don't have nothing.
You don't have that, but yeah, you have the interface.
Yeah, interface is beautiful. I like it. But that's it.
Is it mobile? Is it mobile friendly or?
Yeah, as you can see.
Oh yeah. So, but the text is going behind the button.
It doesn't matter because the functionality is not work at all.
Maybe you have to ask ChatGPT if it can ultra think.
Yeah.
Ultra think, it works for me all the time. I had to put on some lights because it was getting dark here. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's already dark for a long time in Belgium.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's only getting dark now. Well, I think it's been getting dark for 15 minutes, something like that. So. Actually, now that we are here, if people are watching, they can like the video. You see this little banner popping up? Like. And they can also subscribe. So.
Yep.
So we still have 10 minutes, eh?
Yeah, I'm almost done.
You're almost done?
No. No. It's not working. And I don't know what's the problem.
I don't know as well. It's giving me the same problem. It's a tie. Now at the moment it's a tie. But so the scoring system is working again on my side. Actually, it started working again on my side, but it still has to debug the search issues. Search is still not working. No sources cited, no sources used when I ask to give 5 business IDs for 2025. While it should use sources because the training data only goes, I think, I'm not mistaken, was it April or something? March or April? So should be accurate as we are September already. Also, yes, now it's visible, it's fully visible. Right. So the mobile version is working as well for me. Actually, it's not working on all breakpoints. Yeah, something to fix later. And you? Does your chat work?
No.
Still nothing yet.
No.
Is it still the send button? Maybe you should change the name. You just put do not send. Do not send to both. And then when you will click and it will not send, it will actually do what it's supposed to. It will not send it.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I don't know what's happening here.
Actually, it doesn't matter. You have 7 minutes. It will work. I'm sure in 7 minutes you will you have some type of button working.
Mm-hmm.
But I think it's because you restarted the project. It's probably this because
it didn't work there anyway, so it doesn't matter actually. It worked there, but it did not connect to my API keys, so it's the same.
But you put your API keys in the secret folder, so maybe you should drag the secret folder and to
but I did it.
Client. You did it. It does go to.
No.
Yeah. This is you right now because we have 5 minutes left. And this is going to be people in
Crash.
A couple of minutes for me.
It's gonna be Dima's crash.
Dima's crash.
Okay.
So yeah, my dog is barking again. He likes to bark. So I think I'm gonna try to fix this breakpoint issue because not everything is visible on screen, and this is annoying the fuck out of me. But it's still working. All this other bullshit. We only have 4 minutes left. It's not working on all breakpoints for me, so not everything is visible on screen. So we should research all breakpoints and try to fix them. But first, focus on web search. You should focus on web search and then expand the model picker and everything else I asked to do before we do this. So we still have 4 minutes. Or no, it's not 4, it's 6 minutes. And not everything is visible as well. Oh, fuck. It killed my API again.
Yeah?
Yeah, stupid shit. Oh, it killed all my APIs. That had something not worked before. No. Why? It worked.
It's like always. At the end, when you have 5 minutes left, everything is broken
breaks.
And you don't. You have to start all over again.
No, I'm not gonna start. He's gonna fix it. I'm gonna put it again. Ultra think. Bitch. No, I'm not gonna do it because otherwise AI is going to kill me in the future. We have to be very careful what we say to AI because when it becomes sentient, it's gonna poison my water.
Yeah, it's gonna kill you anyway because you already said a lot.
Mm-hmm.
It's too late now.
Yep. Actually, it already knows. It cannot just do anything about it at the moment.
Yep.
But when those beautiful, when it will become, maybe it just give me like a electroshock on my share with static electricity. Maybe that was the first time I just had like static electricity. Maybe it was AI working, trying to electrocute me.
Yeah, it can be.
Yeah, it's possible. I just sent like a connection request to someone on LinkedIn, and this guy says, yeah, I'm actually at the 30,000 connection limit, so I will follow you, but cannot take new connections. This guy. I hope he has like high engagement. If he has 30,000 connections, I hope it makes money for him. Because having 30,000 connections, if you cannot convert them into clients, doesn't really make any sense.
Yeah, true.
It doesn't have any value. So
masa es casa.
Yup. If you can use it well. So actually now it's that the API keys are working again, but the search is not working like it's supposed to. It's fully functional. No. It's not functional. He's lying. This thing is lying. It's saying that it was fully functional, but actually it's lying. It's undefined. When I click on it, it's function link native code. It's the web search functionality is not working. The sources are undefined, and it links to nowhere. So it's not working. I see like sources beneath, but it's not in the sources and it's not linking. So the functionality doesn't work properly. See image. So I mean, if it's not working, it's not working. Cannot lie. And then the color system, it's not the best as well. So we still have 2.5, 3 minutes. Where are you at? Is it working?
At the middle of nowhere. No.
Will Dima have a working chat in 3 minutes?
Nope.
For me, I don't even think it will be finished. I think we will have to give it 5 more minutes because
it's enough. It's enough. We don't need any additional minutes.
Why is it enough? Because it doesn't work for you?
Of course.
But for me, it's working.
But not for me.
Yes. For me, it has to fix like a couple of things, but latest, most capable. No, that's not true, but actually it's starting to look like it's supposed to look.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't know how you are doing it to not make it work for you, but
I'm asking, are you sure with 100 question marks?
Maybe sometimes you should curse on the AI, just like I do. Sometimes it works. Like on my side, now I'm just sharing my screen again, and I have a model picker with. I already have like the reasoning model. It's not beautiful, and it's not all the latest models as well. But maybe that's something that it should change in my OpenAI and Anthropic account. I'm not sure, but I can already pick, and it already says like specialized and fast and efficient, and then latest and most capable model with the flagship next to it, and then the dates, so I can compare them. Although I still don't know which one does what, but which one compares to which one, but I think 1 hour more and I could have something beautiful. Let me see what you are doing. Maybe it's because I talk too much, but yeah, a live stream without talking would be quite boring to watch, no?
Yeah, that's true.
So I have to be the annoying guy that fucks up with your brain, fucks with your brain, so that you're not able to talk, to think. It's going to be very beneficial for me. I love it. So we're almost there. Last 2 minutes. For me, I think it's not going to be so bad. All right, we're almost there. And we will end it in 1 minute. So yes, I think we have 30 seconds left, Dima. Will it be working for you?
I hope so. I hope so.
You have to stay positive, huh? Oh, no, my
Almost
API
done.
is not working.
I'm almost done.
You're almost done.
Yeah, I faked everything, and all the time it worked.
What?
So now I'm gonna have better version than you.
What? How is that possible?
Yeah, you will see. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm curious.
I was faking.
He was faking. All right. So I'm guessing because you were faking, and we are already on your screen at the moment. Maybe that you can show us your project and give us a little bit of explanation behind the thought process.
Wait, I need 5 minutes more. Wait.
I see that you have built a beautiful page with this site can be reached.
How do you like my icon here?
It looks sad. Probably how you're feeling right now.
Yep.
So what do you think that went wrong in your project?
Yeah, first of all, that I wasn't able to connect my API, and it always was saying that it's connected, but then I upload my files to ChatGPT and it said that it couldn't find it there. So I think it was the problem number 1, and then the problem number 2, it's with that node server again. So I don't know why it's already for the second time. and I cannot do nothing about it. When I try to fix it, when I send the screenshots to it, it cannot fix it. Or I just don't understand how to fix it because I'm not prof at it. But I don't know.
This is possible. I think API wise, if you don't know how APIs work, it's already difficult to connect them. I think API wise, I didn't have that same problem. The only thing that cost me a little bit of time at the beginning was the fact that I revealed my API. So that was not such a bright idea for me to reveal it. So I'm gonna have to delete those APIs afterwards because they have been revealed a couple of times during this live. We are very lucky that we don't have like thousands of people watching in this live at the moment. But I see you have like a beautiful interface, no?
Yeah, it was from the first output from ChatGPT. And I stuck on this beautiful interface from start till end, from the first 10 minutes of the live until now.
So it's not so bad.
Yeah, if I can fix like the functionality and I can connect my APIs, then it's cool to use, but not now. Not yet.
Yeah, I think we didn't have a lot of time to do it. So maybe that's the reason. But if you would have a little bit more time, it would have worked. Yeah. The design is beautiful, so it's not that bad. So I'm gonna share my screen and show it a little bit as well.
Yep.
What I have built. So actually, at the moment, it's like still fixing like some API connection issue with Anthropic. Everything was working very well during almost the whole live. I showed my screen a couple of times. Everything was working well, but yeah, for some reason it doesn't.
For the whole live stream, it was my screen. How I struggled with the connection, or what?
No. I switched enough. I didn't just show your screen struggling with this. No, as you can see, I added like I told you, like we should add like maybe a model picker. So it's not beautiful yet, but design-wise.
If you choose another model, is it gonna work?
Yes, it works. It's reasoning if I choose, but it's gonna cost me money. So let's say this Opus 3 flagship. Let's test it. Actually, normally it should work, but now it will not work because I have an API issue, and it's fixing the issue here. But let's say I would do like tell me a joke. It should be able to tell me a joke. No, because the API doesn't work.
It was the same problem for me at the beginning. The same issue.
Yes?
Yeah, from the start.
You had the same problem. For me, actually, everything worked quite well until at the end of the life. I don't know why. I can look. It removed all of the models all of a sudden, and now they are there. It worked quite well. It did even research on the internet. But yeah. So tell me a joke. I will try again. We don't skeleton fights with each other. They don't have the guts. But here it's working now. Look, here's a quickie. Why can't a bicycle stand up on its own? It's too tired. I think Claude wins on this one. Yes, I have like this scoring system, but you cannot see it on OpenAI. It's based on 10 points, and then I can score it myself as well. So let's say I would give like 6 points here, and I would give like a 10 for the joke. You have to give a 10. Then it will give like another winner, because the first winner was based on efficiency. And then, but I do see that it doesn't really work that well, because OpenAI won, and well, this is not perfect yet. But normally, if I ask it to give me 5 business ideas for 2025, normally it should give me 5 ideas and research the internet, as you can see. So this is not visible yet. I have like some visibility issues, but now it gave the same sources. I don't know why. It went and took the same sources, and it also outputted the sources here. So it's a little bit different from one side to the other one. But when you click on the source, it actually opens the source. So it works. So yeah, this was a fun little live, I think.
Yeah, it's cool.
I
But
will have
for me,
I will have to say it. So now that the live has come to an end, and if you're watching in the future, probably this live, just comment down below who won, Dima or Christopher, based on the results. And
based on the struggle and who had more stress, who had more problems, that one.
Yeah, that one. I would say subscribe to the channel as well if you see this. And thank you for following this live stream. And we will see you tomorrow between 7 and 8 p.m. When we go live again.
Yeah. And tomorrow
right.
I'm gonna win.
And tomorrow you're gonna win. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.